Hi guys, we're welcome. We are here today with our first ever unboxing, and today we're doing it with our Dreamer Design Kit. I'm really excited about this because not only is it my first Dreamer Design Kit, it is also my kit for the Halloween challenge for 2021. And I can't tell you how excited I am, so let's just go ahead and get into it and let's get this kit unboxed. This is our, like I said, first Dreamer Design Kit. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's the little Red Riding Hood from Dreamer Design. This one is created by, I want to say it's Kurtzen, and I'm sorry if I say this wrong, okay? So just go ahead and forgive me. It looks like it is Kurtzen Rekovich. I'm probably saying this completely wrong, but there's her name. It's a completely licensed kit, and it is a 40 by 50 centimeters kit, 15.5 by 19.5. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what we've got. I love the handle. I'm not sure what it's good for, but I love it. On the back of the kit, we've got the how-tos and everything that's in here. But let's not even waste time with that. Let's just get right into it. I went ahead and took off the plastic that was on the outside of the box and the shipping part. I've never opened one of these, so I'm so excited. And this is going to be my complete first opinion of what we've got here. So let's see. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, so let's just go ahead and set that aside. Oh, I like this. It comes with its own carrying kit, and it's got its design. They've got it labeled on the bottom, Dreamer's Design. It should be a canvas. I'm sure it's a poured ink kit. Oh, that's so soft. Look at that. This is their tool kit. Wow. Feels like almost like a velvety fit. Oh, guys, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to sit here and play with just the way the fabric feels. And look how cute. Its own little pouch. I don't think anybody else, I don't remember any other kits coming in such a cute little kit like that. I know Diamond Art Clubs comes in their own little Ziploc pocket, but this is so cute. Make a great, for like if you did D&D or stuff for your dice or whatever. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, let's go ahead and just dump it out here on the table. Wow. All right. So their kit, this is the first one of theirs I've ever had. Comes with some little baggies. Nice. This looks like it's pretty much standard with all the kits. It comes with their own glue. You get 2 kits of glue with the little Dreamer's Design on it. Can you see that? So there it goes. It focused. You get 2 of those. Very nice. So I can get the glue out. There we go. And it's pretty thick little pad of glue. There we go. All right. Nice. Very nice. You're going to get 2 trays, 2 little white trays with their names on the back. I like that, actually. That's cute. And it looks like you get two pens. I'm not quite sure what the difference is between the two. I might have to ask that question. If anybody knows what the difference is, if you guys could leave it in the comments, let me know. I've never seen 2 pens with different tips like that. I've seen this one, which looks standard, but I'm not sure what the point of this one is. I'll have to look into it. All right, so we got our 2 scrunchies that go on here. So let's go ahead and put those on. Well, I say that like they're just going to slide on for me, but they don't want to go on. There we go. So we got our 2 grippies. And then it looks like we have a, let me see here. Oh, I've never had one of these either. Look at here. So this is a straightener. If you haven't had one of those, which I've never had. So I'm excited about that. And then these are a placer. And I'm going to say, looks like I have a 3 placer. So that means that's probably a 6 placer. I'm not used to the placers either. So those are new for me as well. And then they sent a pair of tweezers with their kit. So that's exciting for me as well. Usually you only get those with squares, and I'm not sure if this is square or round. I just took the kit that they had available. And those are very sharp though, so please be careful if you get this kit, and don't let's hand this off to your kiddos, okay? But that is what comes in their kit. Nice. Very nice. Let's put that aside for now. I can put all that back together. Well, that's nice. You can share and have somebody help you with that. So that's cool. Just gonna slide that aside for a second. Let's see what comes out next. Oh, here comes our diamonds. So there's the diamonds. We'll get into those in a few minutes. And I like the fact that it's got Red Riding Hood on there. And let's just see what the actual... This little bag's cute too. I actually like that. Because it's my only one, I probably won't put it back in the box because I'm going to do it soon. So, but I like that purple ribbon. Alright, and then here is the kit. And their instructions. Oh! I like that instruction kit. That's cute. And then it looks like you can... Here, just let me set it aside. Looks like you can follow on Instagram, see what other people are doing, and see their exclusive offers. Those are nice too. Join the community, and you got your instructions. Very nice, very nice. All right, now this is different. I've never seen them do this either. So here is your stickers for your key. So I'm gonna hope there's one on the canvas too. But this is off to the side. But now I wish there was a sticker for my, when I go to kit it up, which would be nice. But maybe there still is. Maybe I just haven't found it yet. But I don't see that here, which would be nice. But let's go ahead and set some of this aside so we can roll this out here. So here's the Red Riding Hood. Oh, and there's a noodle inside, which is nice. Let me roll it the other way, and just give me 2 seconds and I'll roll it so you can see it. Just gonna roll this reversed. Now, it's a little bit stiffer if you've ever done a Diamond Art Club. So the canvas is a little bit stiffer than that. But I really like the the feel of it, and the size is really nice. Look at this. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Let's see if I can go out a little bit so you can get a better view. If I can get the whole thing in view is what I was hoping for. There we go. Move some stuff around here so you guys can see this better. Look at her. Oh, I'm so excited. Dreamer's Design. She's beautiful. Look at that. Paint with Passion. Oh my gosh. I love her. Look at the unicorn horn on the puppy. Or on the fox. Excuse me. Wolf. The wolf. Oh, I love her. She's beautiful. Wow, and look at the detail. Hold on here. Let me see if I can get you guys a little bit closer without, see if you can see that. But look at the symbols. They're very clear. Look at that. And look at those eyes. Wow, and little Red Riding Hood's eyes. She's going to be so beautiful. I absolutely love her. Let me zoom back out. She is going to be so beautiful. And the detail in the trees. I don't think I could have picked a better piece to do for the October challenge. I'm so excited. Wow. Guys, this is going to be beautiful. There are 47 colors in this piece. Let me put this so you can see the whole thing. She is going to be gorgeous. 47 colors. Now, I am still new to all of this, so this is just, this is beautiful. It looks like they do their, it looks like they do the DMC colors, and they've got just the one AV color, which looks like it's gonna be, the O is gonna be number 47, it's gonna be their AV color. So let me find, here's my diamonds. So let's take a look at those, if I can figure out how to get them open. Now, like I said, I'm new, so you guys just bear with me with my unboxing. This is the first one I've done on camera. And I'm really I just wanted to do this, one, because they've asked a couple of times what my opinion was about my piece, but two, I was really waiting to hold on to this one for that October challenge. I haven't got to play along in any, and this is the AB, and I have square diamonds. Well, that explains a lot, doesn't it? I didn't even know I had done a square. I'm still curious to see what this one's for. This tip here, I can't for the life of me, if anybody knows what this tip is for, because it just doesn't look square, it looks round. So if anybody knows, I'd appreciate it if you could put it on there for me. Like I said, I'm new to a lot of this. I've been doing it for about 6 months now, and I'm learning as I go. But these are my ABs. They're square. It looks like they're a white. The number is 08, so it's AB08. Excuse me, AB08. I was right. And it's number 47, which looks like it's O. And on my cover, it looks like it's going to be right here around the mouth. A few highlights in the eyes. And it looks like it's going to be mainly highlights in most of the places. The eyes, a few pieces in her hair, and maybe some in the trees. But the colors are just, it's going to be amazing, guys. And I'm going to have to get some better light so you can see these colors. But the colors are just absolutely beautiful. Between the reds and the pinks and the purples, I think she's going to turn out to be absolutely great. So I have to say, Dreamer Designs, I've been waiting for a long time to find a piece of yours that really just spoke to me. And this one, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started. And I know the competition starts, excuse me, it's not a competition. I know the October contest, or Draw With Me, I'm not even sure how they call it actually, starts in September, goes September 1st through October 31st, and I can't wait to get started. I hope a lot of people jump in and join with them. I'm going to put the information below when I find it. I looked today and couldn't find the information, but I'm so excited to do it this year. I missed out last year. And the kit's absolutely beautiful. The only thing that I would suggest is, I really wish there was a picture of the kit that I could put with my, one, in my book that I've completed, but two, that I would have for my kit when I kit it up, so that I would remember that that's what this is for. But I'm sure I can come up with a label, and I'll do another video where I'm kitting this up so you guys can see how I do it, if you're interested. But mainly, I just wanted to share that this was going to be my kit for the October challenge for 2021. I look forward to playing along with everybody and having a great time. Hopefully, and making some new friends, since this is going to be my first. I hope you guys will come out and hang out and play with us and get to know everybody, and I look forward to it. I really appreciate you guys for letting me play along, and I look forward to making some new friends. And thank you to Rachel Ray and Miss Crochet and Coffee for mentioning it and letting us know that we're all welcome to play. I really appreciate you guys. You have been my inspiration. So thank you, and I look forward to meeting everybody. Thank you, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.